Welcome traders. I'm just going to be doing analysis on gold right now. I'm just going to remove these. Okay, do you know what? Let's just remove everything. Okay, so first of all, let's just start with the weekly to see what is going on. So recently, what we've had is price has made its high, and now it has started retracing. So overall, what we do see is that the overall trend is bullish. Yeah, it is going up. Um, Overall trend, oh, deleted everything. Okay, so yeah, overall trend is bullish at the moment. Yeah, we are going up. Now over here, what's happened within the past few weeks? We have started coming down after making this high. We have started like a bearish retracement, like a correction that price always does. It goes up, then it retraces, then it goes up, then it retraces, goes up, retraces a little bit. This is what's happening right now. Yeah, so on the daily, on the weekly time frame, we are bullish. Yeah, daily, recently we have started going bearish. We are getting bullish moves within this bearish trend that we got going on over here. So we can draw our one line over here, and this is just for visuals only, so we know, okay, what is the price doing right now. So looking at 4 hour, what is happening, it has made like a double top over here. It could not break its own high over here, so it rejected it. It didn't make another high, lower low, so it made a low over here, made another lower low. It's gone up, could not make a high. Did not make a high, lower low as well. Sorry, lower high as well. We just made a double top. Now it has gone down. It could not come down to this low over here, and instead it just started rejecting in this area. And what we see over here is it did try breaking down. So recently in the past, it tapped it, couldn't do it, went up, came down, tapped it again, rejected it, gone up, come back down, and again look at the force that it came down with. Yeah, we still could not break this area, so we know this is a very strong area. This area over here, um 18 1826, we around this area, this is a very strong area. All right, so we got our zone over here, so we'll just leave that here as it is. Let's just go down to 1 hour to see if we do get more information. Okay, let's just adjust it over here. Okay, so we got another resistance over here which we can easily mark, and what we have over here is range. It's just consolidating, it's not moving. These are the far away targets. Now we're just going to focus on what is happening right now, like fresh fresh resistance. Yeah, this is what we got over here. So let's look at our ranges to see what is going on. We do have 54 pips over here. Yeah, 54 pips, and if we were to take a sell, our next target will be 110 pips away. Easy. This looks like a nice price action. This is better than GJ for me right now. So we adjust our areas over here. So the best thing in my opinion would be to look for cells. Let's see, where's it gone. Okay, we can look for cells below this area. Cells below here. Okay, this is a lot better price action. Buys above here. And one thing to remember is anytime a price ranges, consolidates, it cannot break out to two areas. When it does break out, it breaks out with force. So what we can do is we can establish maybe over here. This is our target. Like around here, we can start securing profits if we were in buys. And for sells, yeah, we just got our range of spot over here already. I'm just going to look at 15-minute to see what is going on. So 15-minute, we do have some problem over here. We do have some problem over here. But if it does break out during the sessions where there's a lot of volume, let's see the London session time, New York session time, it would be a lot better. It would break out in force. 5 minute. Or what you can look for is, let me just look at 1 minute. I do trade that sometimes. Okay, so the best sells on 1 minute. For, this is high risk, high reward if we were to like sell below here, yeah. But this is low risk, low reward. So for better confirmation, you better wait for sells below 1850, 1851, yeah. Because now we would have broke this area. So what we can do is we can wait for, let's say, 1 minute to break down here, go up, retest over here, fail to break above, and keep go down. That's what we can do for cells over here. These are my analysis. I don't do analysis much, videos like that, but this is what I'm looking at, and I'm just gonna use this for my own education to see if I was correct about my analysis or not. This is for education purposes only, and you should not use it as signals. Just do your own analysis and risk what you're comfortable with.